Greetings, Professor. Thank you for providing me with this opportunity. The topic I have chosen is cricket analysis. The main purpose of this project is to understand the trends among various teams in different formats and analyze the performance of the players in international cricket. This project gives an idea about both teams and players' performance. The following are the research questions that are addressed in this project. I have used the data from the two popular cricket sources. One is an ESPN source and other is an Housestat source. I have used following tables. The first table is the captaincy table. It consists of the list of captains of all the teams. Next is the matches table. It consists the list of all the matches played in the international cricket. Team stats contains the number of wins for each team in the international cricket. Grounds contains the list of the cricket grounds in various countries. Innings by innings list consists of the information about the innings played by the top batsmen, and finally the batsmen and the bowlers table consists the list of batsmen and bowlers in the international cricket. To address this question about the top players in the international cricket for all formats, I have used bubble chart. Coming to top batters, top batsmen are those who have scored the most runs in international cricket, and similarly, top bowlers are those players with highest number of wickets. So, this bubble chart takes data from the batsmen and the bowlers table. Here, the size of the ball indicates the magnitude, and the color indicates the country the player belongs to. In this chart, we can see that V. Kohli and J. E. Root are the two top batsmen, and we can also observe that both India and South Africa have a good number of top batsmen. Similarly, when it comes to bowlers, we can see that R. Ashwin followed by T. A. Bolt top the positions. Also, teams like England, India, and Australia have a good number of top bowlers. The next research question is how many matches are played in each country? To answer this question, I have chosen the grounds table, which has the required information to perfectly construct a map chart. From this map, it is evident that Australia has the most number of matches played and the least number of matches are played in Ireland. The next research question is about the probability of winning for each team individually and against other teams. To address the above questions, I have used a drill down chart and team stats table as the data source. Here, the columns or the bars represent the percentage of winning for the team. From this chart, we can see that India has the highest winning percentage, followed by Australia, and Zimbabwe has the lowest winning probability. When we drill down further, we can see each team's winning probability against another team. This chart shows the winning percentage of the teams that opted to bat first over the years. We can see that there is uncertainty in the team's performance. For the year 2020, there is a strict decline for almost all the teams. This can be attributed to the COVID situation in the world that restricted the teams to play. By selecting specific countries from the country Spain, we can choose to compare the performances. The next research question is, how did the average score made by the winning team and the losing team changed in all formats over the years? In this graph, for this particular T20 format, we can see that there is not much increment in the scores made by the winning teams over the years, and this trend is similar for the losing teams. To answer the question for the best captains for the teams in the international cricket, I have chosen the captaincy table as data source. To identify the best captains for the team, I have chosen the captains with the win percentage of and above 50%. The above representation shows the best captains for all formats. Columns with orange color indicate captains who have a win percentage of 50% and above, and those with the blue color indicate captains with a win percentage of less than 50%. There are only a few captains who are successful in all the three formats. And finally, we come to the question to examine the performance of the most consistent batters over the years. For this question, I have chosen V. Kohli, K.S. Williamson, and Babar Azam as the batters because they are in the top 3 position for the international cricket ranking. This visualization shows the runs scored by the three players for the last decade. Among all the three, Virat Kohli appears to be more consistent in scoring runs. We can see the performance of K.S. Williamson and V. Kohli to be more dominant from 2015 to 2018, and Babar Azam being more consistent from them. Also, V. Kohli has the highest individual scores compared to other players. Thank you.